Good evening, sir. I am Prathamesh Deepak Bidgar from Standard 8B. I represent Career Spectra and most advanced education hub of Bhusawal. I study in Enkanarkade English Medium School in Standard 8B. I got IMO Gold Medal of Excellence
Very good.
and selected for Homi Baba Level 2. I had been in merit for scholarship and MTS also.
Okay, have a seat. Show me your notebook. This is your report card.
Yes, sir.
सर देखिए अपना अपना नोटबुक फ्लिक्स सर को दो. मैथ्स एंड केमिस्ट्री. आगे क्या बनना है बेटा आपको?
I
प्रथमेश.
want to become an IITian.
IITN. Very good. You love mathematics, huh?
Yes, sir.
What is the general equation of third degree polynomial?
Third degree polynomial. Sorry, sir.
Okay. What is in center?
In center is the point from where we can draw in circle of a triangle. In center is also known as the if we draw angle
डर मत, रिलैक्स रिलैक्स. सब अपने हैं यार, कोई बाहर वाले नहीं है. डोंट वरी.
if we draw angle bisector of all three angles of a triangle, the point where all three coincides is known as in center of
Very
that
good,
triangle.
very good, very good. It is represented by.
It is represented by capital I.
Very nice. And what is centroid, beta? Centroid.
Centroid.
हाँ.
The point where all medians intersect is known as centroid.
तो इतना डर क्यों रहे हो? सही तो बोल रहे हो. हाँ, यस. सेंट्रोइड को किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं बेटा?
सेंट्रोइड को G से.
जी से. ओके. अच्छा, एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है, आपने पढ़ा होगा कि सेंट्रोइड जो है ना मीडियन को डिवाइड करता है.
2:1 के रेशो में.
अच्छा, 2 कहाँ से होगा?
2 एंगल से सेंट्रोइड तक.
जस्ट अगर मैं बोलूं, अगर ये ट्रायंगल है, ओके, ये ट्रायंगल है.
यस सर.
और ये मीडियन है ना.
यस.
मान लो सेंट्रोइड यहाँ पर है.
हाँ.
तो 2 किधर से होगा?
सर इधर से इधर तक 2 होगा.
मतलब 2 फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स बोलते हैं ना. क्या बोलते हैं? 2 फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स. ओके. और 1 फ्रॉम द साइड है ना. ओके. अच्छा, ठीक है. व्हाट इज द केमिकल नेम ऑफ CH4?
मीथेन.
Methane. And what is the atomic mass of methane?
Atomic mass of methane. Sir, can I type?
Yes. Molecular mass, yes.
20 mu.
वापस फिर से. Methane, CH4, हाँ?
CH4.
Yes.
12 yes. No sir, 16 mu.
16?
Mu.
AMU.
और हाँ, और ग्राम एटॉमिक मास.
अच्छा, what is the difference between gram atomic mass and AMU?
AMU is the unit that is compared to carbon 12 atoms atomic mass.
And what is the meaning of gram? Just like मैंने बोला कि सपोज कार्बन के 12 AMU है एंड कार्बन के 12 ग्राम है, तो डिफरेंस क्या है 12 AMU एंड 12 ग्राम में?
सर ग्राम का नहीं पता, AMU का पता सर.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं बेटा. हम सर फिजिक्स.
What is ray?
नीचे रखिएगा ना.
What is ray?
The path on which light energy travel is known as ray.
Okay, what is beam?
The collection of ray is called beam.
Okay, can we get a ray from a beam? Can we get a ray from a beam?
Yes sir.
Yes. How?
सर अगर बीम को एक सिंगल पॉइंट से पास किया जाए तो वो रे.
Okay. How many types of beam? This actually we cannot get a single ray from a beam. There is no practical experiment in the world to get a ray from a beam. Okay. How many types of beam?
There are three types of beam: converging beam, diverging beam, and parallel beam. In
Okay.
converging beam, the diameter of the beam converges with respect to time. In diverging beam, the diameter of beam diverges with respect to time. And in parallel beam, the diameter of the beam is same as respect to time.
What is angle of deviation?
Angle of deviation is the angle between uh, incidence ray and refl- uh, and refracted ray.
Refracted ray. Okay.
No, sir. Angle between mirror and the incidence ray is known as angle of deviation.
I'm trying to ask? What is angle of deviation?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. It is the angle between direction of incident ray and direction of reflected ray.
Yes.
Direction of incident ray and direction of
reflected ray.
reflected ray. That angle is called angle
Angle
of
of
deviation. Okay. What is image?
The point where the beam after reflection actually meets,
Or
or we think that it meets, is known as image.
okay. What is longitudinal wave?
The wave in which particle of motion is in the direction of propagation of wave, then this wave is known as longitudinal
Okay,
wave.
thank you.
Prathamesh,
Yes, sir.
you are well prepared for biology.
I think so.
What is cell?
Cell is basic structural and functional unit of life.
Prove it.
Uh, there are many organisms on the earth, and all of these organisms are made up of cell. Some are unicellular or some are multicellular.
Okay. What is metamorphosis?
The process of converting of young ones to adults, where young ones are not similar to adults.
Okay. What do you mean by endocytosis? Do you know something about contraception?
It is a method of avoiding pregnancy.
Pregnant. Okay. And then in the last chapter, as we study, which planet is the most hottest planet of our solar system?
Sir, Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system.
As I know, Mercury is close to Sun. Then why
Because-
Venus is
Because Mercury does not have an atmosphere, but Venus has an atmosphere.
what
That
makes difference between Mercury and Venus to have atmosphere and getting the temperature high or not?
Venus have क्या बोलते हैं उसको? greenhouse gases.
Greenhouse gases.
Yes, sir.
So
Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, like so. That traps heat, and therefore Venus is the hottest planet as compared to Mercury.
these gases produce which kind of effect so the temperature arises or temperature begins to get high?
That effect,
That effect is
global warming effect.
called global warming
Yes,
effect
sir, sorry, sir.
or greenhouse gas.
Greenhouse gas effect.
Greenhouse effect.
हाँ.
Greenhouse effect. In normal life, are there visible greenhouse effect, or we can experience it in our normal life practically?
Yes, sir, we can experience it.
How?
It causes global warming.
It causes global warming.
Yes, sir.
Okay. इंडिया ने वर्ल्ड वुमेन्स टीम ने वर्ल्ड कप जीता था, याद है? पता है ना आपको?
हाँ, सर.
हाँ, तो वो किनके अगेंस्ट इंडिया ने वर्ल्ड कप जीता था? वर्ल्ड कप, वुमेन्स वर्ल्ड कप किनके अगेंस्ट? किस कंट्री के अगेंस्ट उन्होंने इंडिया ने वर्ल्ड कप जीता?
Sir, I think Australia.
नो, आई थिंक नहीं. और ये मैच कहाँ पे खेला गया था? इन विच स्टेट? ऑप्शन ए एमपी, ऑप्शन बी Delhi. Option C, Maharashtra. And option D, none of these.
None of this.
इनमें से कोई नहीं. महाराष्ट्र में हुआ था मैच और ये पुणे में हुआ था, डीवा पाटिल स्टेडियम.
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Yes.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. My name is Deshpande Rangrani from 8th
Good
class.
Yes. What is your physics notebook? Physics.
Physics.
Let's start.
Davis, your introduction.
My name is Deshpande Rangrani from class 8. I'm studying in Career Spectra for since last 1 year. My achievements are that I have qualified Dr. Homi Baba exam with 50 out of 100 marks and Vedic maths with basic and first level in my school.
Okay. Then you have well prepared for the interview.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what is Chipko movement?
Chipko movement is a revolutionary movement which lies with the saving of life of trees.
Saving. As we have to conserve our trees or plants and animals.
Yes, sir.
Why? Why it is necessary to conserve our plants and animals?
To maintain the balance in ecosystem.
Tell us something about cell. What is cell? Why? What is where we have to found cell? Who discovered cell? etc.
Cell is a structural unit of life and the smallest organism which do its own life works with in a single cell.
Okay. Who discovered the cell? Okay. No problem. What do you mean by planet?
A planet is a structure in space which is made up of, it can either be made of rocks and gaseous forms.
Okay. What is reproduction?
It is a process in which organism reproduce and maintain the continuity of the species.
Maintain the continuity of the
Species.
What it means?
Means to the do not extinction of that species.
To avoid the extinction
Yes, sir.
of the species on the earth. What is biotic and abiotic component?
Biotic components means the components which have having life, and abiotic components which are non-living.
Non-living. Do you know Sundarlal Bahuguna?
Yes, sir.
Who is Sundarlal Bahuguna? Why he is so famous?
Sundarlal Bahuguna started the Chipko movement and he led the Chipko movement
In which region?
in the MP region.
MP region. Okay.
Okay, Devash. Define a calorific value.
Calorific value is a heat exerted in a combustion process.
Calorific value means how much? Calorific value, how that is the combustion only, na? That is a combustion, heat release when
Yes.
carbon is burned.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by a calorific value?
The energy is produced in that.
1 kg of substance is burned.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Define metal.
Metal can conduct electricity, can conduct heat.
These are the property. My question is, what is metal?
Metals are are the elements in a periodic table, and for example, iron, nickel, cobalt,
Hmm.
aluminum.
What do you mean by metalloids?
Metallites can uh, rep-
Metalloids? बताओ बताओ.
are the mixture of metals and non-metals.
Okay, there's contain both the property. Okay. Uh, what is the difference, main difference between element and compound?
Element is a el- element is made of single atoms, and compounds can be made up of two or more atoms combined chemically in a fixed ratio.
Example.
For element, for example, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen.
Okay.
Compound, for example,
How many elements are in the periodic table right now?
118.
118. Okay, good.
देवेश रहाने.
Yes,
गुड.
sir.
और कैसे बेटा,
अच्छे
क्या बनना है देवेश आपको?
फिजिसिस्ट.
क्या बात है, सही बोलते साइंटिस्ट आपको है. ओके देवेश, व्हाट इज रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स?
Refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum and the speed of light in medium.
And it is represented by?
Mule or nu.
Okay. What is the speed of light in vacuum?
3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second.
In vacuum.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the CGS unit of force?
Diane.
And SI unit of force?
Newton.
Okay. ब्लंट नाइफ से किसी भी चीज को कटिंग करना डिफिकल्ट क्यों होता है बेटा?
Because the blunt knife has more surface area than the sharp knife, and it exerts more less pressure on the object which cut the object, and blunt knife requires more force to cut the object.
Okay. What is centroid?
Centroid. Center of a circle.
किसको बोलते हैं सेंट्रोइड? व्हाट इज सेंट्रोइड? डिफाइन करो सेंट्रोइड क्या है?
Triangle in a circle.
नो, डिफाइन करो सेंट्रोइड को, डिफाइन करना है. व्हाट इज सेंट्रोइड? किनको बोलेंगे सेंट्रोइड, किसको बोलेंगे?
The center point of a sphere is known as centroid.
नो.
If you don't know about it,
तो किसी चीज का आंसर नहीं पता है तो आप पास कर सकते हैं, सॉरी बोल सकते हैं ना, निकल
Sorry,
सकते हैं
sir.
वहां से ना. ओके. What is the general equation of quadratic? General form of quadratic?
Ax square plus bc
B.
b x plus c.
ओके. तो उसमें a 0 होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए?
नहीं होना चाहिए.
a इज नॉट इक्वल टू
0.
0. अच्छा, उसके नंबर ऑफ रूट्स कितने होंगे क्वाड्रेटिक के?
2.
मैक्सिमम.
हाँ.
ओके. इसका मतलब किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल्स के ऊपर जो हाईएस्ट पावर होता है उनका रूट्स होता है.
जो हाईएस्ट पावर होता है वो उसका
रूट्स कहलाएगा, नंबर ऑफ रूट्स कहलाएगा.
हाँ. हाँ.
पक्का? पक्का ना?
हाँ.
भुसावल को रिप्रेजेंट करना है आपको, और भुसावल के बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन देना है मराठीमध्ये.
भुसावळमध्ये आता खूप काही गोष्टी आहे जे एकदम चांगल्या आहे, आणि त्या जसं की भुसावळ जंक्शन आणि गांधी पुतळा आणि
गांधी पुतला भुसावळची फेमस आहे का? असं काय आहे भुसावळ मतलब गांधी पुतला म्हणजे गांधीजीचे काय आहे? मतलब सोन्याची मूर्ती आहे काही चांदीची मूर्ती असं काय आहे का?
नाही
नाही तर
आणि खूप काही शिकण्यासारखं आहे आणि
काय काय आहे? सांगतो हे का?
जसं की खूप काही क्लासेस आहे.
जस्ट लाईक आरसी स्पेक्ट्रा आहे ना
हा
आणि अजून आहे ना
हा
त्याचे नाव नको सांगू सांग ना. ओके
सबसे फेमस भुसावळ का कुछ?
मला वाटतंय भुसावळ जंक्शन.
भुसावळची जंक्शन
हा.
जंक्शन
एग्रीकल्चर मध्ये
हा?
भुसावळची केले हे खूप
हा.
खूप फेमस आहे बेटा माहिती आहे ना.
हा.
चला ओके ऑल दी बेस्ट.